Aaron.
Yep.
100k, second man to do it.
Yep.
How'd you feel?
Good, yeah. I mean, it is really good feeling.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah, 100%.
So, background before getting the 100k account.
Yep.
Where was your trading? How experienced are you or were you before you got the 100k?
I would say I have zero experience before that. Like literally none whatsoever.
He's defeated all odds.
That's it. I've come in and blasted it. But no, I'd had no trading experience prior to that at all.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know Dan Bunt's in the group.
Yes.
He's a good friend of mine. You know, I saw that he posted on his Instagram some analysis. So I was like, oh, okay, trading. I've seen that before somewhere.
Took your curiosity.
Yeah, and then I spoke to him about it. I hadn't actually spoke to him in years. And so that's how we ended up talking again.
Yeah.
And yeah, I kind of said, oh, what's that all about? And he said, oh, you want to check this guy out on a thing called the Golden Suite. I was like, what's that all about? So obviously, yeah, I joined up. So he said, oh, it's this guy called Ryan, you know, he's a really good guy, really genuine, you know, he'll show you the proper way. And so I obviously started the free trial.
Yeah.
Joined up, went through the educational bits, probably spent God knows how many hours just reciting it, going over and over and over and over and over and over and over
yeah,
again.
Which is what's required.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Until it's, you know, it sunk in.
So how long ago was this then? When was it you first joined? How long ago?
It would have been the end of November.
So we've got November to December, January, February. We're now just starting March. So you're looking at
so
three full months.
Yeah.
3 full months. So you got stuck into education. You know, fair play. You've absolutely grafted it, working hard. You do get out what you put in, and you've 100%. Been tirelessly, literally around the clock.
Yeah, like literally.
Literally
to start off with, obviously I was working full time as well, so it's like I was back testing until like 3-4 in the morning, having 2 hours sleep, get up for work, like, on my phone all day at work. People are like, why aren't you doing any work, Aaron? And it's like, well,
I'm just about to change my life.
Wait, no, I've got to play straight. But yeah, you know, it has changed my life 100%.
Yeah, and just like Jordan, you used FTMO, which for people that don't know, is
I didn't know.
Obviously,
I didn't know about that until obviously I spoke to Dan, and obviously I saw it in the group as well. I didn't know that was a thing, you know. So I was thinking, you know, I'm gonna have to start. Obviously, I sold my house and everything, so I was thinking, you know, I'm gonna have to use my house money to put into this. And obviously, you know, I didn't have to do that, you know, because there's
you didn't have to do it, no. Yeah, you've been funded by somebody else.
Funded by someone else and trade with someone else's money. So
exactly, and I think it's an amazing thing. It just accelerates the whole belief process for one.
Yeah,
you know,
exactly. Yeah.
I haven't got to save up for years for trying and benefit me as a person, benefit my life. If once I get good, I can go to a kind of like FTMO.
Yeah,
Jordan's done. You've done. Many other people have done now, and get that 100k. I mean, you can actually get smaller if you want. You can get 20, 50. I think it's 100. So how did you feel? Because first of all, you passed the challenge. 30 days. You got to do 10%.
That's right. Yeah.
And then you've got it's like 60 days to do 5%. You passed that. And then they give you your 100k account. I'll take you to sign a contract, right?
Yes, yeah, they send all the contracts through email, and then I printed them off, had to send them back, and yeah, that was pretty much it. I mean, I did the whole. To be honest, the thing is, I put a lot of pressure on myself to get it done in the minimum of 10 days, even though I know that you know you've got 30 days and you've got 60 days. You've got 90
you
days.
Literally did just smash
3 months, you know. But then I was like, and I kept reciting over to myself. I was like, no, I know I can do it in 10 days. I know I can do it in 10 days. And then it got to a point, you know, I did the first part in 10 days and then I did the next part in 7 days. So I did the whole thing in 17 days. And then obviously, you know, once I'd done the target, I was just like, okay, I'll just play small lots to get the
to hit the trading day criteria, which they want to see. And then 100k account was in your hands. How long have you had it for now, the 100k?
It's literally the first month, yeah.
First month, and how has that gone?
Yeah, really well actually. You know, I say really well, but like, you know, the first time I traded, I took quite I suppose, you know, everything that's you don't realise comes into play when you're actually trading with real money, you know. So I did, you know, I got all the little FOMO bits, this, that. You know, I made, you know, 6% or 7% it was the first week on
brilliant week.
GN, I think it was GN and GC.
Yeah.
And then I was like, oh yeah, I can make all this. And then, you know, I took a big hit. I was like, right, you know, and that was a wake up call for me. I was like, right, Aaron, you know, this isn't a demo anymore. You know, this is real now. You know, you don't need to be doing stupid stuff like this.
Yeah.
And then I made 6%, and then I was like, that's it, you know, that's me done. That's me done for the month, you know. It's my first month, you know. I'm in it for the long haul, not
1 week's
not
work.
Yeah, exactly.
6% at $6,000. Obviously, they take their cut from it, but still, you're looking at about a grand a week for over the month for 1 week's work. It's like 52k a year.
Well, yeah, exactly.
It's not bad going at all, is it?
Not at all, no.
And you've gone from literally zero experience into the Golden Suite.
Yeah.
Smashed the life out of the education and back testing, and now 100k account. So with work, are you part time now or still full time?
No, I'm still part time. I mean, I can't. You can't physically. I don't think you physically do it, you know, without working a little bit as well.
I think you need to keep working for as long as you can.
Yeah, because
two income streams.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it's, you know, why? And I mean, for me, like I said, I've worked my whole life in a manual job, so like to come in and then instantly being like, I've got to sit down at a computer all day. I'm like, my feet, like, you know, I get itchy feet.
I want to do something. Go to the gym,
so,
Aaron.
Yeah, exactly.
Go spend some of that money.
Yeah, exactly.
Go on holiday.
But you know, I still enjoy doing sparking. So you know, it's something that I didn't want to just stop doing. So you know, I do. Like,
you shouldn't just stop anyway. No. I mean, if you can go down to the kind of part-time hours, you're earning a nice bit of money there as well, and you're making money from your trading account, your quid's in, because trading doesn't take all day. Once you've got your eye on your analysis.
Well, no, exactly. You know, it can take, you know, what you can be in and out in a couple of hours if you wanted to be.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes less, sometimes a lot less, and obviously sometimes more. So going forward, what's your plans? Because I know you've taken a second challenge to try and get the second 100k, so you can have 200k. And the great thing about FTMO is that once you get the first 100k, that's now yours. You've done it. You've got the challenge, the verification. It's yours. You're now trading that. You can actually go for a second challenge. Now, once you pass that, the fantastic thing is you can merge the accounts together. So Aaron could potentially be trading over the next course of a month a $200,000 account, which means his 6% would have related to $12,000, not 6, which is great, right?
A big step up, yeah.
Big step up. It's doubling up.
Well, yeah.
And then from that, you're going to go for another one, because you can have as many as 3.
You can have 3 as a maximum, isn't it?
So 300k, which means your 6% would have equated to 18k in 1 week.
Well, it is the thing. What I wanted to do was obviously kind of frog leg them, so I'd have like, you know, 4 months do one, 4 months do another, 4 months do another, and then they would jump each other in increments, because obviously there's an increment. If you're positive of the 2 months out of the 4, they give you the 25% increase, don't they?
Yeah, so compounding for you.
Yeah, exactly. So by, you know, the end of the year, you know, you're 75% up on the original account. So, and then almost I could have one to pay myself a little wage, and then just compound 2 of them, you know, completely, and then
perfect.
You know,
so you can almost merge 2 and have one separate.
Yeah, exactly.
Because
you
don't want to be flicking
as a
between
backup, you know,
all 3 accounts. Yeah, so you can merge to have 200k, another 100k. 100k you can pay yourself your salary out of as your business, run it exactly like a business. Then the 200k, the merged, you can use that for compounding, just literally as a really super high interest savings account.
Yeah, exactly.
Which was going to be massively beneficial if you hadn't got touched to that. I think it's absolutely awesome. I wish you the best of luck with your second account. Where is it at the moment in terms of how far are you into the challenge?
I am, when did I do it? Last week, so I'll be 2 weeks into this, so I've got 10 trading days left.
10 trading days left. Feeling confident?
Hopefully this week will be a lot better.
Yeah, good. And you've just finished a 3-day masterclass as well.
Well, yeah, exactly. So that's going to help me no end. Obviously, you know, I had a bad couple of weeks.
It happens.
And I think it's just generally, you know, the way the markets have been, to be honest. So, you know, but, you know, it swings and roundabouts, isn't it?
It does, mate. Only way is up.
These things happen. And then, you know, 1 week you might do nothing. And then the next week, you know, you'd be like, I've done it, you know, so. And
that's how trading can go. Best advice for anyone who's beginning trading, or they're already in their trading journey, they want to do an FTMO. What would your best advice be for them from your experience?
Do not rush into it.
Yeah.
You don't have to, it's, you know, like you said to me before, you know, when I messaged you and I said, look, you know, I'm having a bad time, blah, 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 blah. And you said, look, you know, take yourself out of the bubble, Aaron. You know, FTMO is not going away. Yeah. Trading's not going away. Yeah. And it's so true, you know, and once you come out of that mindset and don't put all the pressure on yourself to be able to having to do it straight away, then it makes it a lot easier. You know, all the clog that was in your head goes away, and then you can think straight when you're doing it.
Because it is easy to get caught up in a bubble when you're zoned in on those charts. You're in a
it is,
room,
yeah.
you're on your own. Just get out, innit? Just get out your bubble.
Yeah, exactly.
Reset,
100%.
come back. Forex is not going anywhere. FTMO is not going anywhere. You've got all the time in the world. Yeah, if you rush it, there's a good chance you're going to fuck it at the end of the day.
And I think the other thing I would say is 100%, you know, work on the psychology part if you get more than anything, because it's 99% the psychology part,
massively.
and then 1% your analysis.
Some of the best analysts in the world mess up because of the psychological barriers.
Yeah.
Once you've got that unlocked by what we've covered over these 3 days, just risking the correct amount would take away so much emotion out of the trading.
Yeah.
Which is what you're doing. You're risking the 1%. Yeah. And it's working for you at the end of the day.
Well, yeah, and I think like, you know, now I've got a bit more experience, you know, I just tend to wait for the perfect trades instead of like taking loads of trades a day. You know, that's not. More trades doesn't necessarily mean more profits.
It really don't.
And I can tell you that for a fact because I know, you know.
Yeah, you've done it.
It doesn't,
You've done it. Mate, it's been a pleasure to have you on.
Yeah, brilliant.
Mate, best of luck with the 200k.
Thank you.
Yeah, smash it, and we'll have to catch up once you've got it.
Yeah, we will do, definitely.
Yeah.
100%.
Peace.